Why, yeah. It's your girl, Maddie. About to do me a mukbang. I'm just not gonna talk or nothing.
What is up to the Kaya Nation? It's your girl Kaya, and I am back with another mukbang.
I'm not gonna
But
be
I
talking.
have McDonald's. I have the 10-piece nugget,
McDonald's. Stack them.
honey mustard,
And yeah, you guys, I'm not gonna be talking
and
because
burgers.
all I'm gonna do is eat because I
So,
haven't had me no McDonald's in a
It's not an
while.
ASMR.
And then I have
You
some
so
blue Powerade in here. Well, I think that's Gatorade. Yeah, and I have my two sweet sour sauces. And let's get into the video.
Like, open my sauce because I sure didn't. Mm. And I just started sneezing. So, let's eat it. Very good. These over here is the same, so. And I hope you guys like my video and my intro.
I hope you guys like my new intro, my story time video. With it just got done uploading. Okay, we have our paper towels on deck. And you guys go subscribe to my sister's channel, Kaya Nation, KIYANATION.
And go subscribe to my sister's channel, MADISQAD.
SQUAD.
Oh, my bad, y'all.
Kaya Nation.
Yeah, my fault. I know how to spell. I just missed it. We got paper towels.
Yeah, we got our napkins on deck. In the middle.
So, yeah, so good. Have y'all ever tried that? Oh, let me put it like this to show everyone eating to the side. That's what it is. Real cut video, I don't remember.
You guys, I want this video to be let alone.
So I'm trying to hurry up. So I'll be like, I'm doing that on during this. Probably like 6 minutes or something. Probably, I don't know.
Well, the fact that I was playing music on the TV.
Huh?
Well, the fact that I was putting music
Oh,
on the TV.
yeah.
It's very delicious, you guys.
I just started sneezing.
fries are delicious though. You guys probably can. Come on, 5 minutes.
Not 5 minutes. Nothing like
Yeah, I got a lot of fries.
Yummy.
Want some? Help me out.
Real fries.
Want some?
A little bit. Just to help you out.
Mm-hmm. Guys, I'm trying to hurry because I want this video to come.
We got over 6 minutes. We got my story time. Let me show you how y'all do it.
You guys, this one? This one is almost gone. What it is? I need to have a drink later. This is watered down. I don't know why I put ice in there. How many minutes left?
Challenge that.
Minutes. Minutes.
6 minutes. How many?
6. Mine's 7 now.
No.
How much yours? 6?
It's like over 50s.
Guys, I'm almost done. I have this over here.
I don't know if I want me to do burps and stuff.
Come on, man, squad. We can do this. Kylie Nation is doing it.
Yep.
So Maddie Squad can do it. Kylie Nation is got 1 minute and she's done. Oops. No, 8 minutes. How much yours on?
Okay. Make sure you guys like this. Subscribe to the video. Love you guys. So. Feel bad?
I'm full. It's a mukbang.
Excuse me.
It's a mukbang. That's what it's called for. Okay, you guys. So, hope you guys love this video. Give a like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Love you guys. Bye bye.